Hi guys, let us talk about pivot tables again, but in this case I will use the different method to pivot or to produce the pivot table. Okay, so the first thing is just um, to sorry, just to start with the input, I just return the from here. So basically the main function will be after printing the input data, and then that's it, no more. You can see here the input data is just the revenue by a market, and then segment, and then payment method, and then fiscal period as well. Okay, so you can actually I can actually write the data to the part which is in this project setup. I actually use map this part to here. So whenever I delete this one and I run it again, it will generate the file in here for me. Mm, okay, hold on now. Let me run this. Let me save this again and then run it. Okay, so you can see here the result is in this file, and then if you refresh this, you can see this file as well. So you can open it in Excel, or you can just see it in here. Okay, so um, this is the first part, and then I will stop until here to show you that actually there are different ways to print this file. You can write this file to the HTML table as well. So if I run this again, and then it will write to this table, which is here. Okay, let me try to let me try to change this one to page 2, and then you can see the page 2 in here as well. So save it and then run it. Okay, so in here you will see page 2, and then if you click on this one, and then it will open uh, the HTML code. But then if you want to see this one on the browser, you can also open it as well. So show in I think I can show in System Explorer, and then it will show me the explore is the Explorer, the exploring window here, and then I can see the file as well. Okay, so you can see here the output is like this, and then it show you all the rows inside the table, and then you can scroll as well. Okay, so um, just in short, we have the different function to write the output into uh, write the output into different format. In this case, we write to CSV format, and then we also write to the HTML as well. Okay, so the next one, I show you the three ways to the three function to, or three lines to just give you the summary of um, the data. So you can see here you have the by FY, and then you can see all the FY values in here, and then also the summaries of the value as well. And then when you change from the FY to the market, you just you do only change in here and then in here as well. And then segment is the same thing. So this is the very useful function of R, because you don't have to edit so much. You just copy and paste, and you change the name, and then that's it. You have the different views in here already. Okay, so that's the one way to. This one is not quite pivoting, but it's more like for you to for you to check the values, check all the existing values in one column. Okay, so the next step I will show you uh, to make the pivot table and then write it into both. Okay, so let me break it down here, and then you can see this one is not yet. And then you can see in both HTML and then in the screen here as well, and the console here as well. So if I run this one, it will give me the pivot in here, and then by market. By market, and then by uh, FY as well. So in this case, because the function is by market, so if I want to change this one to, for example, to segment, so you can see here the word seg for segment. So I don't only have to, and then the top of the pivot will be the FY. So you can have the same pivot in this case. So you can change from so the label here supposed to be uh, revenue by segment, and then I can copy this one in here as well. Okay, so if you run this one, okay, so I have to fix so I have to fix this one because the print function, sorry, I need to put them in here, not in here. So I have to fix in here because the printing function is just like to show the result. It doesn't have anything to do with the pivoting. Okay, so there we go. So you have the revenue by segment. So this is one way to do it, and then you can just copy in here. You change this one to market. So this one has to tie to this number, this column name, and then this one you can type anything. It's just label. So market, and then market. So this is very easy way to write in R. And then if you change to the web view, you can see the revenue by segment here as well. And then you can see revenue by online segment, and then retail and super. And this one is by market: Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. Okay, so that's how you do it with pivot table. When you change from one table to two, so you need to tweak this one a little bit with the LL function here. So you need left one, which is by market, and then left two by segment, and then the top will be FY, and then the rest. So this one is the revenue by market and segment. I will copy this label down here and then show you the result. Okay, so maybe I will have to return the cat in here because I don't want to run the last block yet. And then I just, there you go. So you have this one by market and segment. This one is the row number, the row name, sorry, so the row name. But this is one is very good for VLOOKUP. So if you use the VLOOKUP function in Excel, and then this one is the same function in R script as well, and then you can use this name for VLOOKUP. Okay, so the last one is the same thing with the three left. This case is the whole thing. So by segment, market and payment. So revenue. I just I just type pivot T because this one is like enough already for us to understand. Okay, so okay, you can see here the VLOOKUP is the three combination of three. So market and then segment and then payment method, and then this one is the breakdown by three. Moving to the web view, you can also have the same thing. So by segment and market in here, which is pivot 2, and then this one is pivot 3. Okay, so in the web view, I don't show the column name because it's a little bit it's a little bit redundant because we have this three already. But then in the console view, you can have all the result you need. Okay, so this is the way we do the different way we do the pivoting in our script, and then we can also save this one to the different formats as well. I think the as of now, I think the most important part which is just to save it to the web view. But then if you want to save to the other uh, uh, we can do as is as well. So let me try to save this GM, which is the group measure for as the P as the FP, which is 5 part here, but and I don't have the 5 part here at the moment, so I just copy this one down here and then I mm, that two, which is the pivot market segment and then payment. And then I think I want the print function here because if I see the result in here, I also want to check if it where to find this file, and then if the file is in here, and then if I F5 and then I can see the result in here. So okay, so this one is very simple. It's just pivoting techniques only. So it just very similar to Excel and then also to Power BI as well.